looking at me? Why you
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, it's H here. Today we are going to be talking about how to model and animate in Roblox. Okay, so what you have to do, you need Roblox Studio, which you just go up to this home page, the URL, and highlight home, and type in create, and then click enter, and it should take you to this, and then you can download Roblox Studio. Alright, so now I'm going to open Roblox Studio. It's right here. And then I'm going to my world for my graphics models. I've recently been into graphics, and I learned how to do that. So if you want some, my Discord username will be in the description that you can, and my store that I have set up in a server for a graphics market. All you gotta do is join the server, and then it will take you to my store, and then you can DM me what you want if you want some, and I will be showing you some of the steps to making it in graphics in this tutorial. Okay, so first of all, all of these here are from my recent graphics. This one I made for myself. But what you're gonna need, it will be in the link in the description, and so it's called a plugin called Moon Animator. So if you don't have it, the link will be in the description, or you can go to Toolbox and go make sure you're on the store bag, the shopping bag, and then click the arrow right here and go down to plugins, and then it should be like on the first page. See, it says Moon Animator, and it has this logo here. Or if you don't see it, you can go here and I can spell. Or you can just search it up in there, and then it should be right there. It's really easy to use. So first of all, it comes with its own character inserter and a file explorer, which is all the stuff that you have for your animations, and this is like some recent projects for the thing. And then Easy Weld, I don't really use that because it's kind of difficult to use, I'm guessing. So if you want to animate in it, you have to use their character inserter. So you can use their player ID, which is let's say I go to profile. Oops, here, I'll just go home, and then I can go to my profile, and the user ID, you should know what that is the user ID right here, of this. That's your user ID. It's unique for every person, or you can just look up their name. For now, I have gotten a request to do someone for a graphics, so I will be using theirs for right now. It's somewhere up here. It's right here. For this one, it's this. Yeah, so it's somewhere. Where'd it go? Okay, so here it is. For right now, it's this person. Yeah. Okay, so so what you gotta do is, all you gotta do is DM me, and then about it on Discord if you want one, then you can do it. So I got hired to do this person, so I'll just copy that and go into Roblox Studio and go to character insert and click enter, and then there we go. And there's R6, R15. Let's try R15 first and see how it looks. To model it, just go to Moon Animator. I'll just size it this way. Boop. File, new animation. You can do that. And then click the plus here, and then click the root part, and then just make sure rig is selected. You don't need the C frames. Then click OK. And then you can just click on the limbs to move it around. like this. Like, okay, so then you can click that, and then I can do like tilt her head. I can go over here to culinary. Let's see, we can long lock here, bandage. I don't want the bandage, so I can just take that off. Then I can go like this. Excuse me. And then, sorry, I'm a little plugged up right now. And then I can go like this and like that. Let's see how that looks. Yeah, that's fine actually. That's not wonky. That's good. So then, yeah, I can go like that. Oh my god. Oh my lord. Okay. That definitely is not working out. Then you can just position it the way you want to. And that's really all you have to do. See, I can like go like this. She's like kicking up. Be like yeet. And I can like go like, oh, that's the foot. Oh no. Or I could go like this. Oh, the foot is the second part on this character. So I will just go like that. Yeah, and then that's basically all I have to do. And then I can go this way and turn it this way. And to just position it, you only need one keyframe, really. So, only one keyframe, which is only one frame. Ow. Sorry, my computer fan is getting really hot right now, and it's burning my hand. So I will just. So yeah, that's all you gotta do to position it. Okay, so I decided to go on like this area. So I don't know about this part. Maybe I'll like position that a little more down there. I don't know. Is that like is the pants supposed to do that? But okay, but it's fine. And I can like move this part around and like go like this. And but for graphics, all you gotta do is say like you insert an R. You should insert an R6, and then all you gotta do, you don't need the moon animator if you just get a rig and then export it at the selection. I'll show you how to do that later, but for now, this is just the model that I came up with. I'm just gonna make sure this is recording. Yeah, it is. Then what you can do is, I don't really like the face that she has right there, so I can really just drag this down, and then I can choose a face that she could have from one of these or those over there. So maybe I could do like you can not comment, just say what your favorite face is on. I don't know. I've turned comments off. So maybe I could do this. This one. Oh dang it. I actually forgot that to change the face you should dang it. You should not start doing it till let me just save and close, and then I can just go over here and go here and then go to the decal. What's the script for? I don't need that. I just go to decal, and then I copy this ID, go here, I can just close out of that, and I go to culinary, and I go to head, and then the face, go here, and then go to properties, and then delete that one, and then paste the new one. Oops. I actually didn't like that face, so I just got a new one. I got this one, and then yeah, and then I'll just go back over here, and then so I changed it to that one, and then I can X out of this, And then since I saved and closed, I can go back to it and then go File, Open Animation, and we can find it open, and then it should be that way, which is nice, and that's how you can save and open it. Okay, so then what you can do, since I like this, I can go here to the model and then right click that and export the selection. Oops, I wiped my nose real fast, and then I go here, and then I can go to graphics models, and then here I can do Polar High. Is that 3 eyes? Yeah, Polinaries. Wait, I can just say model, not birthday model. But then I just save that, and then as you can see, I had a folder for the graphics textures, which I'll just move the texture into that one when I'm done. But but I don't use Blender on this computer. As you can see, I don't have Blender anywhere here. Because I don't use Blender on this computer because this computer is too tiny and it doesn't have a good enough graphics card, so I just use my dad's PC, which is bigger than mine's. It's a laptop, same as mine, but it's bigger, and I use that, so I may be able to screen record. Maybe not with OBS, but just the built-in. If I click Windows G on my keyboard, then the game bar will pop up. You should be able to do that on Windows. The game bar should be able to pop up right here, see? And then over here is the capture section, and you can be able to take a screenshot, which I do that, and you can click show captures, and then that comes up with the gallery. I also have this home store that I tried making for a client, the game, but she didn't want it, so now that's for sale, and you can go to my store to check that out. I will update that. But see, it says start recording this, and it says this PC does not have good enough settings for that, or good enough graphics card. So my dad's computer actually can do that, so that's why I can just do that. Alright, so then if you want to animate, I can still use this, and then all you gotta do is, if you want animation settings, just find the first position of what you want your character to be in. Let's say just this one. Or I can just say this one, and I can go to edit and animation settings right here for settings, and then this is the animation settings that you can have for it, and right here is the timeline size. This is 5 seconds, not 5 minutes, 5 seconds. So I can say let's say can I say 1 second? Yeah. Can I say 4 seconds? Yeah, I can say 4 seconds. And then loop, which means it plays over and over again. And also, if you want to copy and paste frames, it's you just highlight it like this, just drag and highlight that, and then it's Shift C to copy and Shift V to paste. That's how you do it. And Moon Animator and regular, it's just Control C and Control V. But on Moon Animator, make sure you do Shift C, not Control C, because that's not how whatever his name, I don't know. We can look it up. X6S made it, I guess. Okay, so what you gotta do is, if you made it like this and you have all your settings figured out, there's effects like this, Veganate, or letterboxing, or different effects that you can do that I haven't really figured out yet, but depending on your time, there's how many frames. This is 240 frames, so if I go to 60, I can go like this. how do you dab? I can go like this, and turn it like that. How do you do this? It's like that. Then it's like this, go like down, and then I can go turn my head down, go here, and then like this, go to the second joint, and then go like that, and then I can go like this. Nope. How do I? Yeah, there. That the first or second joint. There. No. There we go. And then I can like go like this, and nope. I just want to turn it. So I can just turn it like this, like down, boom, and then go like this, and then like that. And then that's all you gotta do. And then I can highlight this, all of that, Shift C, go all the way here, and then Shift V, and I'll paste that there. And then if I go to File and Play, she dabs, boom, and then it like, and then it like loops over and over again, and then it's like dabbing, boom. But if you want it to like, let's pause this. I can basically go like all of this, highlight all of it. Wait, is that all of it? Boop. Okay, it's over there. Boop. And then I can just press delete on my keyboard, and then I can just take this one and put it there and Shift V. And then that's how I can just change it. And I can play, pause, boom. Oofer. Or I can File, pause. I can highlight this, Shift C, bring it over here, Shift V. We can bring it in the middle, Shift V, Shift V. See if that looks better. Dun 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 dun. Dabos. And then yeah, that's basically what it can look like. And then pause, and then I can just go here, Shift V, Shift V, Shift. I can go here, Shift V, Shift V, and then so on, and I can just go closest as I want, and then play, boom, and then she stays there, and then goes back up, and then she does it again, and then I can just pause that. So if you want to save it, you can do save. We can go export all, and then it'll show up in server storage right here, and it'll highlight it. Then you right click and save to Roblox, and then I can name it create new. You should create a new one, and we can name it tools dabbing, or is that spelled with two B's? I'll just spell it with two B's because it actually error, please. Okay, that's weird. Okay, so I basically just redid it, and okay, so here it goes. I just named it dab, and so it says share your animation with your friends, and this URL you just want to highlight it and copy that, Control C, and then click OK. And then you want to X this out, and yes. And then what you can do to be able to play it is I can just go to Toolbox, I can go to Models, I can just do Spawn. Oops, it wasn't done loading it. I can just neutral spawn, and I can just smack it there. there. And then if I move this, now undo, and then I do this, boom. Okay, so what you want to do is once you're done with that, go to Toolbox, X this out, and what you need to do, let's see if it's in my thing. No, it's not actually. So what you need to do is search up play animation. It will be in the link in the description, or just do this. Search up play animation. This one, it says play animation by Shaysu. Go to the second one, it will say play animation 2.0. You want the 2.0 by Shaysu. Shaysu, everybody. Shaysu with 104 votes. And then just drag it in. And I'll say play animation. It should be a script, and it should have settings, and then idle animation. What you do is you drag the script under the person that you want it to be. Play animate, and okay, and then it should be good. And then go to the arrow and go and click the idle animation. Go to properties. Go to animation ID. Delete that and paste your animation ID that you just made. And click enter. And it should be all set, and then you can close that. And then you can click play, and it should work. Okay, so here it should, yeah, see? And then she's dabbing. The play animation is playing once I'm in the game. And yes, my avatar is amazing. Today is actually the last day of the egg hunt, so I might go and do that. But that's basically how you animate and model in this tutorial. So that link will be in the description. I also very recommend, if you want to learn how to make graphics and shade renders and do all that stuff and animate, I do recommend Alvin Blocks, Shaysu, and Pickle Pie. But those three links will be in the description along with the play animation. And also go check out my shop, link in descriptions, because I'm really new to this animation thing. And then yeah, so I guess that's how you can do it. And then I can now cancel. I can just do save and close.